your English teacher Urmil Joshi from Ardent Progressive School, Lamachar. So students, we were discussing about nouns in our previous lectures, in our previous videos. So today we will discuss now other kinds of nouns. First of all, I would like to revise you what is noun. So noun is the name of a person, place, animal or things. And in your syllabus, three kinds of noun are here. One is common, second one is proper and third one is abstract. आपने कौन से पढ़े हैं? 1, 2 and 3. Three kinds of noun. So one is common, second one is proper and third one is abstract. So you all know what is common noun? Name of a person, place, animal or thing in general. When we are talking about in general, that is common noun. Second one is proper. When we talk about a noun, particular or individual, that one is proper noun. And the last one is abstract, the noun of quality, action, feelings, emotions, neither we can touch nor see. Just only we can think of that particular noun. So here are three nouns in your syllabus: common, proper and abstract. Now here today I would like to tell you another kinds of noun, that is countable and uncountable. As you can see that what is count? Count means to count anything, yani ginna. Like I am having two markers in my hand. So how you will count it? 1 and 2. So this is the counting, that is number. Okay, 1 and 2. Number 2. 1 and 2 numbers. So this is countable noun. And another one is uncountable. Un means no. So here uncountable noun means जो हम count नहीं कर सकते, that not be counted. So countable noun, what is countable? Countable क्या है? Countable nouns are those nouns that we can count easily. Like I am having markers in my hand and we can count markers easily. 1, 2, another one, 3. So like this you can count this. So marker is countable. Marker is countable. So for example you can say marker. Marker is countable. So you can write 3 markers. So you can write 3 markers. So markers is countable. Another example I am showing you. Dolls. I am having 2 dolls in my hand. So you can count 1 and 2. So 2 dolls. So this is also the example of countable. This is the example of countable. Doll, dolls, 2 dolls. So you can count 2 dolls. This is also countable. Another example I am showing you. What are they? Teddy bears. So you can count 1 and 2. Here are 2 teddy bears. So this is also countable. तो ये भी आपका क्या है? Countable है. So third example is teddy bear. So you can say 2 teddy bears, 3 teddy bears, 4 teddy bears. So this will countable noun. 2 teddy bears. One thing is also there in countable noun, that they can be in plural forms. ये कैसे होते हैं? Plural forms में. Plural मतलब ज़्यादा, एक और ज़्यादा. So countable noun क्या होते हैं? वो plural forms में होते हैं, बहुवचन में होते हैं. Another one is uncountable. Uncountable means that can't be counted, जिसको हम count नहीं कर सकते. For example, milk. You can't count milk. आप milk को गिन नहीं सकते. Like I am showing you one thing in my hand. This is water. You can't count water. आप water को गिन नहीं सकते, but you can say 1 glass of water. So 1 glass of water, if you are saying that it will be countable, but if you will say only water, that will not be countable. ये countable नहीं होगा. So water is uncountable. इसको हम count नहीं कर सकते. Like this, milk you can't count. आप milk को भी नहीं कर सकते. Rice meaning bags of rice you can count. Okay, bags, containers you can count. Another example is there, oil. So you can't count oil, that is also uncountable. आप इसको भी count नहीं कर सकते, तो oil is also uncountable. You can count bottles of ऑयल. आप इसकी बॉटल्स को काउंट कर सकते हैं कि आई हैव थ्री बॉटल्स ऑफ ऑयल, 4 बॉटल्स ऑफ ऑयल, बट यू कांट से दैट ऑयल, प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ ऑयल्स. ओके, सो here is example of uncountable and countable noun. Countable noun that can be counted, that can be counted, जिनको काउंट किया जा सकता है, and that can't be counted, that can't be counted. So here are 2 kinds of nouns, countable and uncountable, that can be counted and that can't be counted. Milk, rice, oil, water, scenery, you can't count them. And countable, that can be counted, जिनको आप गिन सकते हैं, marker, doll, teddy bear, pencil, razor, stones, pebbles, you can count easily. So I am telling you one exercise from your book, you can do in your book only, and if you are not having book, you can do it in your notebook. So take out your book, grammar book, and write. Exercise number 2.2 from your Keystone book. I am doing here exercise number 2.2. Question is, write whether the highlighted nouns are countable or uncountable. ये जो highlighted हैं वो nouns countable हैं और uncountable. You have to write in front of the sentence. आपको sentence के सामने लिखना है. So first I am telling you, she takes milk daily. She takes milk daily. So milk is which kind of noun? Countable or uncountable? Uncountable. So you will write uncountable in front of the sentence. Second one is, I would prefer tea than coffee. So here tea and coffee is underlined. So tea and coffee both are uncountable. We can't count these nouns. So you will write uncountable. Third one is experienced candidates will be promoted soon. Will be promoted soon. जो एक्सपीरियंस्ड कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनको जल्दी ही प्रमोट किया जाएगा. सो कैंडिडेट्स persons you can count easily. So here countable noun will be there. Okay, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Countable, क्योंकि you can count easily candidates because candidates are the persons and you can count persons. Fourth one is, this exercise is very difficult. So it is also uncountable. Next one is, The children are making a noise. So you can count children. आप children को count कर सकते हैं. So you will write countable here. Children. Sixth one is cheese is made from milk. Cheese is made from milk. So both cheese and milk are products and you can't count both of them. आप इनको count नहीं कर सकते, cheese को भी and milk को भी. Okay? You can't count, but you can say glass of milk, bottle of milk, that can be counted. Bottles can be counted. So milk and cheese are uncountable nouns. Seventh one is I take a glass of juice in the morning. A glass of juice in the morning. And here juice is underlined only, so you can't count juice here. So you will write uncountable. Because you can count glass but not juice. Last one is I need cooking oil to make food. So highlighted word is oil. So oil you can't count, so that will be uncountable. So here are some examples from exercise number 2.2, and you have to do these sentences in your book only. If you are not having book, you can do it in Fair Notebook of Grammar. After that, one more question is there. Number B is here. What you have to do in this question, pick out the words from the box. You have to choose the word from the box and write them in their suitable columns. Here are two columns. यहाँ आपके कितने columns हैं? 2 columns are here. So what you have to do? You have to write in both the columns countable and uncountable. Countable and uncountable. So what you will do? You will choose. First word is ball. Ball you can count, so you will write ball in countable column like this. Second one is door. Door you can count, so you can write door. Third one is scenery. Scenery uncountable. You can't count scenery. Night. Night you can't count. This will be uncountable. Night. Deer. Deer you can count. Write deer in this column. Next, oil. Oil again uncountable. Eraser. Eraser you can count. You will write here. Air uncountable. Liquid uncountable. Like I was showing you that time, water, that one also liquid. Sand, sand you can count, you can't count sand. Rake. Pebble, you can count easily. Pebble. Sixth. Petrol, uncountable. Notebook, you can count, right here, countable. Book, you can count. Table, you can count easily. Fire, can't count. Right here, fire. Cheese, Ludo you can count. After that, cheese, uncountable. Beauty, uncountable. Sundarta. Nature, uncountable. You can't count nature. प्रकृति को आप count नहीं कर सकते. Cloud also uncountable. Curd, dahi, uncountable. And last, pencil, countable. You can count pencil. So in both these columns, I have written countable and uncountable nouns, and you have to write in your book both countable and uncountable nouns from this column, from this box, and you have to write in both the columns the right answer, the correct answers. So today I have told you countable and uncountable nouns and exercises related with uncountable and countable nouns. So you have to do both the questions in your book, and after that you will learn also. So take care. Bye bye. We will meet you soon in our next video. Bye. Take care.